Unit 2. Listen and recite this poem. I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you, just you? New words: butterfly, myna, fish, kangaroo, octopus.